Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another junk journal, Sister of the Traveling journal. And we've got another one. This time it's Carrie's book. So let's go ahead and look at it. She's got these great little stickers that she has decorated her journal with. And then we get here, and it started for her on January 9th. So we all started at that time for our first round. And she's got a little read me. It has, this is funny actually. It's got, do whatever you want. Just do whatever you want. So I love that. We've got our little check-in next where we all checked in. And I love this. It's all like cancel stamp type fabric. So I love that it's fabric. She's got her about me. And then she has a roll call here. So we've got all of our names and our pictures there. And she has another, she has flips so that the rest of them can do it. And then we've got our different vehicles here. I think I have the most boring vehicle, but it runs well, so that's what matters. And then we come over here to recipes. I added my jalapeno popper dip. Let me know if you want to see that one day. I will make it for you guys. It is delicious and so much easier than scooping out all those jalapenos. All right, we've got where should I travel to next? And so I added New Zealand. That is a place that I've always wanted to travel. And look at all the great places she's been to. I have been, let's see, I've been to Jamaica, I've been to Mexico, Canada, and various places in the US. Other than that, did the Caribbean and Peru. So, all right, we've got all this great stuff here. Our favorite characters. I added this Snow White. She was my first favorite character. I love Belle. I love Ariel. Of course, who doesn't love Cindy? But Snow White was my first one back in the days of CB radio. That was my little handle when I was younger, was Snow White. We put our pets. This is the first one I've done with our pets. Look at this little guy here, so cute. We've got Milo, Gizzo. We've got, let's see, Tip and Zero, Sashi, and then there's my little Stanley here. Looks like he's taking a school picture. I do miss him. All right, we've got orange things and blue. I added this cute little Easter bunny because it's getting close to Easter. What else did I do that's blue? I did this helmet. I also did the helmet in orange. I did this Forever and Always. I did this cloud, and I think I did this butterfly as well. I did. So that was fun. We've got football, you guys, a girl after my own heart. Look at all the girls. We have our teams. We like sports. This is me, Cardinals. I've got my little football there. It's a little shiny, sparkly. It says, I love the Cardinals, NFL, and Cardinals country. So this one's mine. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, this is a junk dump. You guys, I do junk journaling is what I call it, but really I don't. This is the first piece of junk I've ever put in a journal, and it is this Blow Pop Charm cover. So, but it was fun. Now that I did it, I'm like, oh, I see. It gives such a great texture and just so much fun. Things to see, do, and eat in your city. So there's so much. We also have a little racetrack. We have the Phoenix PIR. And what to do, I put in March, jockeys ride ostriches as if they were thoroughbreds. Let's see, we have the next page is fun, little doodles. I look at some of these doodles and I'm like, oh, those are totally doodles I would do. I used to make those flowers. Let's see, those flowers each like every day when I was younger. But this is my go-to doodle, this little guy here. And then I played around with lines there. That was fun. This was really cool. This has Return to Sender. It's just a page of search and finds. And I picked out a couple of those. I did different colors, I think. So which ones did I pick out? Oh, I picked out parcel. I guess I did the same color. Parcel, box, and envelope. And then this one is, she said, post a picture of your favorite game. And then this was me, Texas Hold'em Poker. I do love all of the game. I'm a game player anyways, but I'm really good at that one. This is a QR dump. So we've got all these QR codes of what we did. This was mine. And that QR code takes you to my link tree so that they can have all my links. This next one looks like the work of Cha. It's funny how you start to get used to them and their styles. But she does really great bag charms or journal charms or any kind of beautiful charms. And I think she sells them on Etsy as well. So we've got some great fun stuff. This again is another exchange. Take some, leave some. Great stickers. Of course, the leave some is a little thicker than the take some because these keep getting thinner and these keep getting thicker. It used to be reversed. But as it goes on, it changes. This is now we're moving on to Michaela and her About Me. She always makes great pages. We've got a purple dump. What did I add to the purple? Oh, I added this guy here and this one here. Is that all I added? I guess that's all I added. And maybe, let's see. I actually have some purple right here that would be beautiful. I'm gonna look real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna grab, look at this. So I just happen to have this book right near me, but look how pretty these purples are. So I'm going to add this one because I don't feel like I added enough purple. And this one is so pretty. So we will add this one. Why don't we add it right here? There we go. Oh, so pretty. All right, so then we've got this one here, which is some love. And which ones did I put? I put this one, You Make My Heart Soar, and this I Love You. I may have put this I Love You. I don't know. I've been working on it for a while. So this is always a fun one for me. It's an add your washi, and I added these 3 washies. So we're almost halfway done, or actually we are halfway done. We're over halfway done. So I thought if I filled up this half of the page, then there'd still be half for everybody else. But I put these 3, I love these 3 washies. All right, this one is Amanda's. That's her About Me there. And then this one has Add Flowers to the Garden. So this one is not as decorated because she was the last one. So I added multiple flowers. I don't know if I added that one. I don't think I did. I definitely added this one, and this one. So pretty. We'll have a whole little garden. And then this one says positive vibes only. Really, I did this so long ago, but I just finished up, so I forget some of them. I definitely put this Inspire and the Dreams Are Forever and the Smile. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear that. The jets are flying over. All right, now we get to my About Me page. I have, I put stickers from a sticker book that I have, and little bits about me. This one is a sewing machine. I do have a sewing machine like this, but I can't sew at all. I cannot. Sewing machines and I do not get along. Never have. I've always collected stickers ever since I was young. I used to go to the little Hallmark shop on the way home from school, and I'd always like get my quarter and buy a new sticker when they were on rolls, and you'd tear them off. That's what I was doing there, tearing them off. Carbs are my favorite with this lovely bread there. This one says, I took violin classes in primary school. If I picked up a violin right now, I could not play a note other than scratch and screech. This has an old phone, and it says I collect vintage items, which I do. I have like so many old keys, like the skeleton keys. That was a gift after my father-in-law had passed away. My mother-in-law gave those to me. I still have them and keep them. But I also have like an old iron. I have an old fan. Like this, I just love old vintage stuff. This is a church here, and I put here that I accepted Jesus when I was 12 years old. I remember that. And then this lady here with a camera, I said I love photography. I have a picture of me with my short haircut, and I built a little pocket, and then in here it's got my About Me. So that's my About Me page, and then I put a page together with all kinds of information about Arizona. Love it, love it. And then I also built this page, which is a rainbow sticker page. So again, since we're halfway through, I put lots of stickers. These are all my stickers here. But there's still plenty of room for everybody else. And I hope that this becomes just this huge rainbow of color, full stickers. So that is it. And then you come to the back, and I'm not going to show you, but there's a thank you note here. And then on this page over here, everybody put their address. And then here it says, take some junk, leave some junk. So I'm going to have to look in here because I don't think that I added or took any yet. So that is everything. What a great little journal. I cannot wait. This one's going to head out tomorrow for its next home. So, all right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you are enjoying this traveling journal series. Have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.